Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Leap in Kontakt 8. First, launch Kontakt 8, either as a standalone application or as a plugin in your digital audio workstation. Once open, navigate to the Libraries tab on the left-hand side. Scroll through your installed libraries until you find the Leap instrument. Double-click its icon to load it directly into the instrument rack, ready for use. Now, let's explore Leap's interface. You'll notice several key sections. The central area often features performance controls like macro knobs and faders, allowing quick adjustments. To the right, you'll typically find the modulation section, crucial for adding movement and evolving textures. Below, the effects panel offers various processors to enhance your sound with reverb, delay, and more. Let's dive into sound shaping. The answer envelope is fundamental. Adjust attack, decay, sustain, and release to control the sound's evolution. Experiment with the built-in filters, often including low-pass and high-pass options, to sculpt the tone. Don't forget the arpeggiator or sequencer, which can transform static notes into dynamic, rhythmic phrases, adding significant interest. Finally, let's talk about saving and performance. Once you've crafted a unique sound, save it as a user preset so you can recall it anytime. Consider assigning key parameters to MIDI controllers for expressive, real-time manipulation during performance or recording. For a fuller sound, try layering Leap with other instruments, creating rich and complex sonic landscapes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.